Hello everyone, welcome to another StampChatter video. I was going to pop in live actually, but I didn't give you guys enough notice, so I thought I would tape this and then put it up on my Facebook later. Anyway, I just wanted to jump in here and talk about the tag buffet in the current mini catalog, now known as just a mini, not a holiday mini, but essentially it is the holiday mini catalog, and talk about this tag buffet. A lot of people I know really like this tag buffet, and I just got mine yesterday. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the box and how it comes, and then I'm going to show you some of the cards, how they go together, and then I'm going to show you a card that I made and a class that I have put together using this kit and some card supplies that I will send separately to you should you join me on this class. It's going to be done by Zoom, and it's going to be done in September, probably the weekend of the September 25th. We don't want to do it I don't want to do it when it's still summer, and it's not summer after the 21st of September. So, but just letting you know that a class is forthcoming on this. So let me show you what it looks like. So here is the box. It comes in a paper box. You get 30 tags. The cost of the kit itself is $41 before shipping and taxes. And there is a stamp set that goes with it called Tag Buffet. It's $24. It's a photopolymer one. I didn't actually order this. You don't really need it. The only thing that gets used from this set that I know of anyway are the words, and I already have the point set of petals, which is another class I'm going to do in October, and it's got some great happy holidays, warm wishes, Merry Christmas. So you know, you probably have a set at home already that has Merry Christmas. Thank you for making this a wonderful season. And the sizes in this worked really well. Here's the Merry Christmas, and there's the one in the tag buffet. So I'm pretty sure it's going to fit on all these little tags, and if not, I'll just custom make those little white saying tags that go on there, and that saved myself $24, and I got to order a set I really wanted. But you have that option, and let me show you what it looks like. So here's the box that it comes in. It is a paper box. So if you're gonna do the class, I'm gonna offer it two ways. The full kit of 30 tags, plus you're gonna get supplies to make cards as well, or half the kit. I'll send you half the kit, which is 15 tags, but we're gonna use some of those tags to make cards as well. So you'll have that option. So I just wanted to show you how it comes. So you get some gold ribbon. What is this? This is quite nice. Oh yeah, it's gold. It's shimmery gold. I'm not going to unravel it. Here is the kit. So let me just find some scissors, and we will open this up so I can show you. Things are always nicer when you see them in person as opposed to in a catalog. So I hope this video shows up a little better than the catalog does. Of course, it's never as good unless it's in person. So, all right, and it comes with, this should be instructions. Not that I think you need them, but everything your kit includes, and here we go. Picture instructions on layering it, but I think we can figure this out. So cute. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so I guess 5 of each. It makes up to 30. So there you go. That's what the kit itself looks like. Here are some of the tags. So these look like they're laser cut. Can you see that? And the little holes there. So there's those. Oh, these are pretty. Some of those. Some of these. Of course, if you order the full kit, you can, you have the option to make, they're quite big actually. How big are these? Oh, I got my centimeters up here. 11 centimeters. What is that in inches? I have no idea. I have to flip my grid over. Anyway, that's aren't these pretty? And they've got this shimmery gold you know what I mean, to it. All right, let's look at some of the die cuts here. Oh, okay, so here's the Christmas tree die cut. You know, I have to say it's much prettier in person than it is in the catalog, but isn't that just the way it goes? Here is the stocking. So here's your tags. They're quite large. I'm pretty sure that my my poinsettia set is gonna fit. And here, I love this present. I just love that. Love, 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 love. So these are all the cutouts. All right. So that I'm gonna make a couple cards. I'm gonna make a couple tags, and I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what's coming up in the class.